Welcome back, friends. So today is part 3 of our crypto mining series. And today we are talking about the expenses incurred when you're generating your mining income. So for most of our clients, and I'm guessing most of you guys out there, your number one expense is your equipment. It's your computer and your graphic cards that you use to mine, right? So how do you expense that on your tax return? Well, the answer is the IRS says that anything under $2,500, you can just take the year you buy it. Okay, the year you buy the equipment and you put it into service, you can expense it. However, if you spend more than $2,500 on one single piece of equipment or piece of software, you have to depreciate or amortize it, meaning you have to take a portion of the expense over the life of the equipment or software, which the life is determined by the IRS. So for example, let's say you buy a $3,000 computer. The general IRS rule is going to say you have to depreciate that over 3 years. So you get to take $1,000 of expense each year for 3 years. Okay, that's the general rule. However, the IRS has a bunch of exceptions and loopholes and other rules that allow you to accelerate that depreciation and take it earlier and sooner, and take that tax benefit lots of times now. So they have the bonus depreciation, and right now the bonus depreciation rules say 100%. You get to depreciate all of your assets like this, all assets with a shorter lifespan, like 10 years or less, which is gonna be all of your guys' software and computers and machinery. You get to take all that expense in the year you purchase it. So pretty beneficial. Keeping in mind, you guys, you get to take all of that expense now, but if maybe you sell it next year and you make $1,000 on it, then all of that $1,000 is going to be gain on that sale. So not anything to really think about, because most of you guys are keeping things longer. You're just building on to your equipment. You're just buying more and more, but something to keep in the back of your mind. So other expenses that you might incur when you're crypto mining, you might purchase mining contracts. So that's an expense you can deduct on your tax return. You might rent a block of time from a data miner provider. You're probably going to have taxes and fees, maybe licensing fees that you pay. Those are all deductible on your business return. And you guys, the biggest one your equipment was the biggest, but the biggest one we see missed is your home office. So all of our clients mine out of their home. And when you mine out of your home, if you have a designated home office, meaning it's a space in your house that only serves as a home office, you can take a portion of all of your home expenses and deduct it on your business return. So what does that mean? So first you have to, or your tax professional has to determine how much of your house is your home office. So let's say you have a 1,000 square foot apartment and your office is a 10 by 10 room that is used solely for your crypto mining. Okay, so 10 by 10, that's 100 square foot office. Well, 100 square foot office divided by 1,000 total square feet, that's 10% of your house. So 10% of all your house expenses can be deducted on your business tax return. So the allowable expenses, you guys, include your rent, or if you own, you can take a portion of the depreciation on your house and mortgage interest. You can take utilities, home office, internet, anything that is involved, anything you pay that has to do with your house, you can take a portion of that as a home office deduction. So pretty cool, right? So this last area is the one that gets missed or messed up most often by taxpayers. So definitely an area worth hiring a tax advisor for. And if this is your first video watching us, Lipa Beers and Associates, that's my firm. We not only are crypto tax experts and can help you with all of your crypto needs, we also specialize in business, small business returns as well. So we got you on both ends, both sides. So we offer free consultations, so you can contact us. We can sit down and chat and see if we're a good fit to work with one another. So that's it, you guys. Until next week.